Wait, hold up. Don't scroll just yet. You want to learn how to turn one of these into one of these? During my magnificent marble machine project, I had used up all of my PET filament, and I've gotten some recreated here. I still have a few colors to make. And our friend that drinks all of these 1-gallon bottles of water just gave us a dozen more. So let's turn these into some PET filament. Over the next couple of days, I'm going to be making more of that PET filament. In the past, people have had questions about the process, the bottles to use, removing labels, how to cut the bottles into the long ribbons. So I thought I'd take this opportunity to put out several videos and kind of go over some of the steps, the process, the bottle cutters, the pultruder machine. So if you got questions about the process or want to learn a little bit more about it, obviously like this video and follow along, but drop me some comments or some DMs. Let me know what part of the process you want to know more about, and maybe I can dive into some detail on that. So until then, take it easy, TikTok.